Hey everyone, Jessica here, and I'm super excited to share with you 8 of my very favorite color blending Impressionist brushes. And if you're not familiar with these brushes, they've really changed the game in Photoshop because they're Photoshop brushes, just ABR brushes, but I've changed the game because I create these pre-blended color blends and you load them up as pattern files in Photoshop, and then whenever you paint, you can have all these amazing colors come out and they're already pre-blended for you. So all you have to do is double click to load the ABR file and the pattern PAT file, and then you can start painting immediately. So all you have to do is go over here to the left and make sure that you've selected your pattern stamp tool, and then go and select one of my Impressionist brushes. And when you have the pattern stamp tool, you're going to have your patterns showing up here. And the color palettes are loaded as patterns. So you simply select one of these and you start painting, and the colors that are in the pattern are going to come out blended beautifully in different ways with these brushes. Excuse me. So you can see that there's a lot of different choices that you have. In each brush, you can use them with any of the different color palettes. So you can really have fun, experiment and play. And I have a whole playlist just for these brushes if you're new to them or you want to go more in depth. But really, it's just that simple. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below.